Alright, you guys, this homework is a little different. You should bust out the pink toolkit. This is just a check-in. I want to make sure that you all have the proper key points for each of these different types of graphs. So you really don't have to write this down because it's all on your pink toolkits. What you want to do is make sure that your toolkits are correct. So this should go pretty quickly. It's the easy one here tonight. Alright, constants, key points. Constants don't really have any key point, alright, because it's constant. They're all the same point for the y values or the x values. So you don't have to really worry about any key points for constants. For linear, the key point is right here at 0, 0, the origin, right? So that's your key point, 0, 0, the origin for linear. You right? That's where kind of the reflection happens. It's kind of like the middle point of it, okay? Same with absolute value. The key point is right here at 0, 0, or the origin. Alright, so that's the one key point. That's where kind of the mirroring takes place over the y-axis. Also, the vertex is the key point, and that's also at the origin. Right? So the vertex or the origin. Quadratic, you're going to see the same thing. The key point is right here at the vertex, which is also at the origin in the parent function at 0, 0. Okay, so hopefully you guys got that one. For square root, key point, look at this, vertex, origin, all meaning the same thing in this particular situation. For a cubic, oh snap, key point, vertex, origin, okay, 0, 0. Origin, vertex, cubic, same deal, origin. One that we got to look at is the rational. So this rational, a key point is actually the origin, because that's where most of the reflexive stuff is happening. Like if you did the 180-degree shift, this and this would match up. So that's kind of that reflection point at the origin. But there's also a key point at the point 1, 1. So 1, 1 is a key point, and negative 1. It's almost like the kind of like the vertex of where this starts and cuts in half. And negative 1 is a key point. So you have these two other key points right here. That is those. All right. I'm just going to actually put up two more. I'm not going to cut this video. I'm just going to write it up here. And bear with me for a second. Cool. So we just got two more types. We need to do exponential. So the exponential one, which has the graph that looks kind of like so, right? The key points for exponential is actually the point 0, 1. So the point 0, 1 is a key point for the exponential. And the last key point in the last type of graph is a, what's this one? The log, I think. I think this one is a log. It's like the opposite of an exponential. It looks kind of like this. That's terrible, but you have the graph already, sorry. And the key point for that one is 1, 0. Would be this point right here at 1, 0. Okay? So it's kind of like an x. In this case, it's an x-intercept. And in this case, it's basically the y-intercept. So those are some key points that you need. Hopefully you're just able to jot those down, any ones that you missed. That's it. That's all I got. Have a good one. Peace.